Hi, my name is Andy Christensen, and in the next few minutes, I want to take you through one of the key advanced technologies offered on the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue, ProPILOT Assist with Navi-link. Rogue was one of the first Nissan vehicles globally to offer ProPILOT Assist, a hands-on driver assist system that reduces the hassle of stop-and-go driving. Since ProPILOT Assist was introduced in the 2018 model year, more than 200,000 vehicles equipped with ProPILOT Assist have been sold in the US. Today, ProPILOT Assist is offered on Rogue, Leaf, Altima, and Rogue Sport. As many of you have experienced ProPILOT Assist know, it combines intelligent cruise control with steering assist to help the driver control acceleration, braking, and steering in both heavy and flowing traffic situations. For 2021, we're adding a new ProPILOT Assist with Navi-link that greatly enhances its capabilities, including an extended stop and hold time of up to 30 seconds in freeway traffic. This means Rogue can remain stopped and then automatically continue without the driver re-engaging the function for up to 30 seconds. A key feature of the new ProPILOT Assist with Navi-link is its link with the Nissan door-to-door navigation system. This means the system can recognize speed limit changes and either prompt the driver to accept the new speed or change the vehicle's set speed automatically. It can also recognize upcoming curves, junctions, or freeway exits from the navigation map data and slow down as necessary. New ProPILOT Assist with Navi-link is standard on Rogue Platinum and available on Rogue SL. It's one of the many new advanced features available with the 2021 Rogue. Thanks for watching.